You can also easily create a CAD from a mesh with just one tool in ZEISS Reverse Engineering. This organic shaped figurine is perfect for this tool. The tool I'm going to show you is useful for generating a CAD model from a mesh, for example, finite element analysis, continuing reverse engineering, design and modeling, as well as creating CAD models for parts with an organic nature. This figurine was scanned with the GOMSCAN 100. Immediately, we can see the great amount of detail this scanner is able to acquire from this part. GOM-Inspect comes with a complete mesh editing workspace. Here we can clean up our mesh, close holes, repair our mesh, and more. Let's use some tools to edit this mesh. First, we can close these holes and remove some features we do not want. We can align our mesh to a coordinate system and send this STL file to a printer for printing, or send it directly to ZRE to create a CAD file. Let's continue now in ZRE to see how we make a CAD out of this mesh. In ZRE, we can create CAD models from organic objects with just a few clicks. The resulting model follows the natural shape of our part. These methods show you how easily you can turn your mesh into 3D CAD models. If you want to know more on reverse engineering, or for more product information, or you have further questions about 3D scanning, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com or follow the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.